I'm fine. Why am I talking like this?
I don't know. You're so loud.
What's happening today?
I'm jumping out of a perfectly good airplane.
Where did we get a perfectly good airplane from? This is confusing.
I did. I read in the rules. It might not be perfect.
Okay, yeah, that. All right. You're good with that. Okay, it's just so the lawyers are happy.
All right.
All right, so you got friends jumping with you today, or what's going on?
Jen. Yes.
Hey, how's it going? You must be Jen. I'm only guessing that because she called you Jen.
Yep.
So Jen, do you have any words of advice for Autumn here?
She's gone before. She's gone before.
Oh, well, that's all. There you go. So she knows what to look forward to. Are you nervous or scared at all?
Right now, I kind of am empty of emotion.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I'm numb to it. I'm excited. I'm scared. Ready to jump out of a
Well,
plane.
we're jumping with Brent. Where's Brent? I don't know where Brent is. He's probably in the corner crying somewhere. Oh, he's over there, yeah. How do you feel about Brent? You've known him for about 5 minutes now.
Okay, he touched me inappropriately a little bit ago. I told him I was okay with it.
Did you pay him extra?
I will later.
All right, you ready to do this?
I'm ready.
I will see you in the airplane, girls.
All right.
Go.
Thanks.
All right, girl, you back on the ground.
Oh my God. That was
How you feeling?
Amazing.
What was the best part?
The free fall. Oh my God. The free fall. I was like, what is going on right now? I'm just falling in the sky. That was so awesome.
So would you do it again?
Absolutely.
That's what I love to hear. Thanks for jumping to Skydive Midwest. We'll see you next time.
Woo!